got it tough. What I see is till this day round. And I know, oh baby, come on, just how you feel. They say you got to roll with the punches and it was real. Come on, y'all. So can't you see I'm standing here? I got my back against the record machine. That's his team. So can't you see what I mean? Everybody go ahead now. Just go ahead and jump. Arizona now. Go ahead and jump. Say, wow, who said that? Now baby, how you feel? Just say you don't know. Oh, baby, you don't know. It's till you feel it. So can't you see I'm standing here? I got my back against the record machine. Well, I ain't the worst that you see. You guys know what I mean. Everybody now, just go ahead and jump. Come on now, jump. Yeah, come on, baby. While it's plenty that gets up and solo, y'all give it up. Where's all my ASU folks out here tonight? So, you guys feeling good? Are you feeling real good? How many of you guys went out and watched some golf today? You guys go out and see some golf? You're like, yeah, there is a golfer thing going on around here. Well, I'm gonna keep it going if that's all right with you guys. You know, I just like to continue to take the volume knob and just turn it up a little bit louder, Hey, speaking of which, take the fader on that board over there. I want you to push it up a few decibel levels back there, okay? That's if it sounds good out there too, that good looking dude back there mixing the sound, he's single, he's ready to mingle, he's ready to do it for you. So again, are you guys ready? I just gotta ask, are you ready? Okay, where's all the girls in the house tonight? Where's all my homies in the house tonight? Where's the fellas at? I love it. Every time I ask where my boys are at, it sounds like fucking Braveheart. Check this out. Where's my boys at? Yeah, that's good. That's good. All right, well, we're getting ready. We're going to have a little sing-off on this next one, all right? I'm just seeing if you're ready. Are you guys ready? You guys on stage are ready? Let's try this. Come on. All right, boys. A full moon shining bright. Into the water we were feeling all right. Back down a country road, Arizona. Girls are hot in the beer. So I'm gonna look around and find a guy that can only come up here tonight. Well, Cadillac, horns on the hood. My buddy Frankie had his daddy hooked the sun good. Well, girls smile when we roll by. Hey, hop in the back and we cruise to the riverside. Whoa, we're never gonna grow. Whoa, we're never gonna slow down. Yeah, we were shining like lighters in the dark in the middle of a rock show. Whoa, we were doing it right. Whoa, yeah, we were coming around. Whoa, yeah, we were caught up in a southern summer barefoot blue jean night. Well, blue eyes and auburn hair, sitting and looking pretty by the fire in a lawn chair. New to town and new to me. The room you're in was sipping on sweet tea. Shot me up like a shooting star, so I grabbed a beer and my old guitar. Then we sat around to the break of dawn, howling and singing our favorite song. Whoa, never gonna grow. Whoa, never gonna slow down. Yeah, we were shining like lighters in the dark in the middle of a rock show. Whoa, we were doing it right. Whoa, yeah, we were coming alive. Whoa, southern summer fair. Come on, man. I'm gonna take y'all old school. Remember, like, you see in West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground. That's where I spent most of my days, chilling and relaxing, acting all cool, shooting a little bebop outside of the school. When a couple of guys, up to no good, started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got a one silly fight. My mom got, she said, "Mom, love the Bel Air." So I was a woman man, and when it came near, the license plate said, "Brush it a nice in the mirror." And many things, y'all, I can say that this cab is where I say, "Yo, oh, forget it, y'all, the Bel Air." I pulled up to the house about 7 on rated, not here, to the Cameo home, smell you later. Looked to my kingdom, I was finally there, to sit on my throne as the Prince of Bel Air. All right. So, what's your name, dude?
Jimmy T, man.
Jimmy T. Where are you from?
Scottsdale, Arizona.
So, Jimmy, say what?
You're my favorite country artist.
Alright, this isn't weird, but I gotta hug this guy. Alright, so Jimmy T. Who we got here? Who's this fine looking lady right here? What's your name?
Yolanda White.
Yolanda White. Yo, say hey, Yolanda. Alright, so I picked Jimmy T and I picked Yolanda because I saw them, they were singing every word. And Jimmy T just said, I feel honored, man. There's a lot of great music out there, and for you to say that makes me feel awesome. But every time I was singing a song, you've been up front and you've been rocking. So, we're gonna have a contest. But wait a second, Yolanda, you didn't tell us where you're from.
Arizona.
Mesa, Arizona. Where's Mesa, Arizona in the house tonight? Okay, so it's gonna be like a little mini, Phoenix, Arizona Idol. Okay, here we go. So, oh, are you? Okay, all right, man. Well, you don't make the fucking rules right now, I do. Okay. So, Yolanda's over here. She's not worried about it. She's like, I got this. I'm Yolanda. I got this. Okay. So, Jimmy, get over here, right here. We're gonna start in the first verse. This is your crowd right now. This is the Jimmy T show. Okay. So we're gonna start off. Full moon shining bright. All right, edge of the water, we were feeling all right. So I'm gonna give you the mic. This is your crowd. You tell them whatever you want. It's your job, though, in the next 30 seconds into the chorus, to get these people in the palm of your hand. Okay? You got this? And then it's Yolanda's turn, and then they're gonna choose who the damn winner is. Are you guys good with that? All right, here we go. On the count of 3, we're gonna give it to Jimmy T.
Full moon, shining bright. Edge of the water, I was feeling just right. Full moon, shining bright. I'm blacked out, Jake. I'm sorry, I don't remember the lyrics.
Are you hammered drunk right now?
I'm your biggest fan.
Wait, are you hammered or just drunk right now?
I'm blacked the fuck out. This is fucking Scottsdale, Arizona.
Okay, so you guys will give it to him. Now you gotta give it to the guy. He's partying. He's partying. All right. Well, Yolanda, you can't sing? Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. I know you can dance. You just... All right, Yolanda. So you know the words. I saw you singing them. You know, you say, a full moon shining bright.
The girls are running high and the beer is ice cold.
Everybody say, whoa, whoa, whoa. Damn, people in Arizona are hammered. So by a screaming round of whatever you want to do, what does everybody think of Jimmy T? And what does everybody think of Yolanda? Oh wait, we gotta do this again. Yolanda, Jimmy T, Yolanda, Jimmy T. Yolanda, I think Jimmy T wins this one. But you win my heart right there. Y'all give it up for a lot. Now it's your turn to sing. Here we go, everybody sing. Never gonna slow down. Yeah, we were shining like lighters in the dark. Whoa, we were doing it right. Yeah, we were coming alive. Whoa, caught up in a sun, barefoot blue jeans night. A barefoot blue jeans night. A barefoot blue jeans. Y'all sing it. Whoa, we ain't never going. Everybody say, whoa, whoa, never gonna slow down. Yeah, we were shining. Whoa.